Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has designated Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.71. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects no change at 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -20.79% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from -35.45% to -7.36%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -35.02%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -45.86% and -3.71% over the next year. In current terms, this would indicate a future price range between $48.93 and $87.03. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 4.79% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from $86.26 to $90.39. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.99%, with a low of $90.14 and a high of $93.74. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 15.57% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 51.74%, or $96.89, below the 52-week high, and 60.23%, or $136.91, below the all-time high on March 8, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, recently experienced a notable increase in its share price, rising by 4.9% to close at $86.26. This upward trend coincided with a broader market surge, reflecting growing investor confidence amid recent volatility driven by trade uncertainties and economic concerns. Several factors contributed to this positive momentum in AMD's stock. A key highlight is AMD's collaboration with Marvell Technology on the interoperability of their CXL devices with AMD's EPYC CPUs. This partnership positions the company favorably in the high-performance computing sector, especially for cloud data center operators who are facing performance challenges. This innovation is expected to enhance AMD's attractiveness, potentially driving revenue growth as the demand for advanced computing solutions continues to rise. Furthermore, AMD remains a focus for growth investors like Cathie Wood, who, despite navigating a turbulent market, has identified AMD as a strong contender in the artificial intelligence sector. It is important to recognize that while AMD's AI prospects were once viewed as somewhat uncertain, the company's ongoing investment in its Ryzen and EPYC processor lines is expected to lead to substantial revenue growth, projected at 25% for the fiscal year 2025. In the short term, these developments could enhance investor sentiment, leading to further increases in stock price. In the long term, AMD's innovations and performance in critical areas such as AI and data centers are likely to solidify its market position, resulting in sustained profitability and growth that may positively influence its stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned a buy grade to AMD, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also gave AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, Jefferies assigned a hold grade to AMD, indicating a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, Citigroup reported a neutral grade for AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to AMD along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Advanced Micro Devices. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 15.57%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The Advanced Micro Devices stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $97.92. In the event of a decline, the stock is expected to find support from the short-term average at $89.68. A breakout above the long-term average would signal another buy, while a drop below the short-term average would trigger an additional sell signal, thus reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that might interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 120 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 114 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $85.76. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.64 and $78.21. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.60 between its high and low, or 3.99%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.63%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 93 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $93.40. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could present an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.104. Overall, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $86.61, representing a decline of 4.18%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current price level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Since our last evaluation, we have upgraded our analysis of this stock from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate rating. After assessing the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by $1.03, beginning at a price of $91.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It's important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.